Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now we are driving through Montego Bay. We are on Sunset Boulevard heading towards the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Now the government recently announced that it's going to be spending $1 billion to upgrade the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The government, through the Tourism Enhancement Fund, is to commence work on the $1 billion project in April 2023. The government is to spend $1 billion to develop the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, or it's more commonly known as the Hip Strip in Montego Bay, Jamaica. The project seeks to transform the popular Montego Bay Hip Strip into the most popular hip strip in the English-speaking Caribbean by providing a range of day and night activities suitable for Jamaicans and tourists. So we are coming up to the boulevard now. Now the road is named after Jimmy Cliff, the iconic reggae singer. He's a Grammy Award winner and also an inductee in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Alright, we're now going to be turning left onto the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. So remember, this road now, this area is also known as the Hip Strip. It has a lot of hotels, a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars, everything you need for exciting area basically. This is why they call it the Hip Strip. So on the left now you have a lot of supermarkets. And as we go further, you're going to, on the right now is, I don't think you can see it in the camera, but Tracks and Records is over, it's in the plaza that we just passed to the right. And then coming up now on the right is the Spanish Court Hotel. So to the right you have the beach area, and to the left you have like the hills, but the beach area is on the right. So you find a lot of hotels in this area. Even the hotels that are located on the left have access to the beach on the right. Okay, on the right now we're passing Starbucks, and there's a beach over there where you see that to create the orange tile, there's a beach right there. You pay and you use the beach. I think it's Doctor's Cave Beach. I'm not sure what the name is. And then on the left is a lot of shops, that sell Jamaican stuff. This area is basically for the tourists. And you have restaurants on the right. We're going to come up to Margaritaville soon. And you have other restaurants. There's a casino on the left. Okay, that orange building on the right now is Margaritaville, and on the left, that's the casino. Also on the left is a new plaza where you'll find a lot of shops geared mostly to tourists. And there's a Burger King over there. And then on the left now, we're passing the Pelican restaurant, which is probably the most popular restaurant in Montego Bay. So on the left is a small plaza, and there's a very nice jerk chicken place on the left. On the right is another beach. And then now we're heading towards the town of Montego Bay itself, the heart of the town of Montego Bay. This is still the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. It goes all the way up to the stoplight.